Yo guys, this is OP Dad Master again. So guys, what's up? And I guess we're gonna do a Nerf war. As you can see, I have the Nerf rifle. Soon I might be starting the. Yeah. Soon I might be starting the. Soon okay.
This game is like a
No.
fighting over a Twinkie.
Okay, we're all gonna battle, guys. So just make sure. Hopefully, you guys like the video. Just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will be doing some replay videos for you guys. So, what's up? Got my tactical pants on. Excuse the 34. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video so when everyone is ready. So, guys, just make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're rolling again, guys. Get to your spots. Get to your spots. Tavares, you get over there, behind the thing. Anywhere behind there. What? Excuse the ground. It has feces on it.
It's funny how you have a semi-automatic gun and we don't.
Hey, my gun. Hey, I have a mounted camera on it. It's hard to reload. So.
No, it's not.
These are the easiest reload.
Yeah, we got bullet fast as we can.
Okay, go to your spots. I'll go to mine. Parkour. Parkour. 360 no scope. Dink. 360 no scope. Dink. Imagine that. That would be cool. Remember, guys, thanks for watching. Go! The Monkey King is inbound. The gorilla is inbound. No, that's fine. That's what I said. Have to kill him. Oh! Whoa! Now you hit my gun! Oh! Matrix! What's up, both of you?
I started seeing that. It's in the air, bro.
No, you shot my gun! No, my bullets are falling now. Oh, hopefully my camera saw that where he shot my gun. I know, huh?
It won't shoot, see?
Duh.
Do you think the inside's messed up?
That sucks. Here, switch the bullet out.
I knew you took it.
Maybe
No, it was
pull
on the
it out
floor.
fast. Go like, shh. See? See, that's what you need to do.
That one's trash.
Here, that bullet must be defective. Here.
Okay. We're ready for round 2. Yeah. Yo. Darn, my camera probably has to focus a lot. Hopefully it's not bad. Okay. I'm gonna be over here. Roman! Are you ready? Okay. There's the chickens. Look at the beautiful chickens. Okay. I know my spot. My hidden spot. Go! Okay, guys. Oops, I probably got in front of the camera. Duh! Hopefully you guys saw that. Okay. Oh, they're teaming on me. Get back to the base. No. I might need to get you a new gun. Got you. My bullet just disappeared.
It went deep into my body.
What? Okay. So guys, hopefully this was a good video. Probably wasn't very long, but hopefully it was exciting.
Damn, you want to join this?
Yeah.
30 spaces.
I got him. I got the monkey. I'm just playing. Whoa!
I heard the food.
Well, that's a bullet gone. Where did my other bullets go? Here's a ball. Oh, here's the other one. Cause they're supposed to. Okay.
He's Trump. Look at that haircut.
That is
Dude,
not
it's yellow.
Trump. That is
It's
not.
yellow.
That is not
It's
Trump.
yellow.
Rainbow activated. Oh gosh. I know. We'll get them.
Like I'm kicking that ball. How dare you, Tavares? You shot a chicken in the head.
He breaks through the cage. Starts chasing me. I found him. The penetrator is back.
Okay.
The penetrator.
Okay, guys. I think this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
Peace out, guys. So, Pete Master signing off. Yeah. Yeah, that guy. This guy.
Hey, that's racist.
Hey.
David, give me one more shot of me. Victory!
No. Okay. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. And see you guys in the next one. Wait. Hold up. What is this? What are these? Well, okay, that was it. But okay, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.